Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about this beautiful subway tiles and how they are manufactured at our factory. So these beautiful tiles requires a lot of detailed process that needs to be done to make such a beautiful outcome like this. So to understand the manufacturing process in detail, we have made it in few parts. So this is just a few parts. Watch this video till the end to understand the other parts. So before going into the deep process, let us first understand about the first basic thing that requires to make these subway tiles, these beautiful subway tiles, that are raw materials. Now raw materials are very crucial part of making any tile. If raw materials aren't as good as that we are looking for, then of course we are not going to get the desired quality. So raw materials for making such subway ceramic tiles includes typically feldspar, kaolin clay, then quartz and silica, etc. These materials are mixed into the trimix, what we call it, to have a proper homogeneous mixture, and that too into the right proportion. Even if there is not the right proportion, then the tiles may not get the desired quality. Then we move to the another part. Once the dry mix is done, the substance and the dry mixture that we call goes to the ball mill, wherein we add the water to make the clay like substance in the ball mill, and the clay, the dry mix, is actually mixed properly and homogeneously to have an even quality. Then the slurry goes to the dryer. Slurry is passed to the dryer so that the excess water is removed and we get the powder like substance, the even form of the tile, or the even form of the raw material that we can get after the mixing. Now once the slurry is dried, let us move to the pressing part, which is a very important part. So in pressing part, we use hydraulic press, and it is a very crucial part to achieve the desired shape and desired thickness. At our factory, we use hydraulic press to apply the immense pressure on the ceramic body to get the desired tile shape and the thickness that we want. The pressing process includes the placing of ceramic clay into the mold, which has the exact dimension of the design and the tile. The press applies even pressure on all the parts of the mold, and that is how we get the desired shape. Then it passes through the dryer to remove the excess moisture and to make the tile more sturdy. Now this ensures the final tile is dense and more sturdy and strong, and it is ready for the further process. And remember, this tile is still fragile. Why? Let us understand why. Now this fragile tile passes through the first firing process. This tile goes to the kiln in very extreme high temperatures and to make this tile more strong. Now this kiln helps to bake the tile and to make it more strong and durable. Now what do we call this product? The final product of after first firing is what we call a biscuit tile. Now this is how a biscuit tile or a raw tile looks like when we achieve the desired shape and result. And to know what happens after this biscuit tile, do watch the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.